Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, welcome back to my English class. Today we want to talk about past continuous tense. Okay, what is past continuous tense and then when we use past continuous tense? Okay, let's start. Okay, when we use the past continuous tense is to talk about action that were ongoing at a specific time in the past, action that were interrupted by another action in the past, and then two or more simultaneous action happening in the past. Jadi kita menggunakan past continuous tense itu untuk sesuatu kegiatan yang sedang terjadi pada masa lampau. Dan yang kedua yaitu kegiatan yang terjadi karena ada sesuatu yang mengganggu pada masa lampau. Dan yang ketiga yaitu dua kegiatan yang sedang terjadi pada masa yang lampau atau yang sudah berlalu. Okay, here example that sentence using past continuous tense. First is ongoing action. She was reading at 8 p.m. last night. Ia sedang belajar pukul 8 malam kemarin malam. And then interrupt action. I was cooking when the phone rang. Saya sedang memasak ketika handphone berbunyi. And then simultaneous act. They were playing while I was studying. Jadi mereka sementara bermain, sementara saya sedang belajar. Okay, how to use past continuous tense? Okay, in positive structure, we need subject and then to be and then verb ing. So, to be for past continuous is there is was and were. Was for I, he, she, it, and then were for we, you, they. Jadi untuk past continuous tense itu rumusnya adalah subject, kemudian to be, dan verb ing. Untuk to be pada past continuous itu ada dua to be yaitu was dan were. Was untuk subjek I, he, she, it, dan were untuk subjek we, you, they. Okay, here the example. I was eating, and then he was eating, she was eating, it was. Okay, untuk to be were, we were eating, you were eating, and then they were eating. For all subject, the verb takes in. Jadi untuk semua subjek, verbnya tetap ditambahkan in. Okay, next, how to use negative structure. For negative structure, we need not. Okay, so I wasn't eating, he wasn't eating, she wasn't eating, it wasn't eating. We were eating, you weren't eating, and then they were not eating. For all subject, the verb all takes in. Jadi untuk semua subjek tetap ditambahkan in. Okay, next, how to use question structure. Okay, jadi untuk question structure itu to be-nya dipindah ke depan. For example, was I eating, was he eating, was she eating, and then was it eating. Okay, untuk to be were we eating, were you eating, and then were they eating. For all subject, the verb takes in. Jadi untuk semua kata kerja tetap ditambahkan ing. Dan perlu diingat untuk question structure itu to be-nya di depan. Next, time expression atau waktu penggunaan untuk past continuous tense. Okay, we usually use the following time expression with the past continuous tense. Okay, number one is while, and then when, and then at specific time, and then all day, morning, night, and the last is as. Okay, for example, I was reading a book when the phone rang. Jadi saya sedang membaca buku ketika handphone berbunyi. So I think enough for past continuous tense. I hope you enjoy, and then I hope you understand easily about past continuous tense, and then thank you for listening. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.